Hello everyone, I am Dr. Sarita Sanke, a dermatologist and cosmetologist practicing at New Delhi at Dermorita Skin Clinic. So friends, today in this video, we will discuss about the skin care for early 20s. So if you are in your early 20s, this is the video you have to watch. So when we are in the early 20s of age, our skin has not matured enough or it is not going into a lot of aging process. But however, in the later years, it can definitely go into the aging process and we can start forming, fine lines, some wrinkles, some kind of pigmentation, freckles and many other things. So it's in the early 20s, we have to start taking care of your skin so that in the later years, we don't face any kind of these aging conditions that usually happen on the face. So what are all the products that you can use in your early 20s? So since your skin is fresh and not gone into too much of aging, so you have to use a very mild products considering your sunscreen, your moisturizer, your actives. Okay, and don't focus on using lot of products. Do not use some 10-20 products, a mixture of products that is not going to help your skin. Stick with very minimum and few products, like maybe just 2 or 3 products, and it's also very important that these products should be budget friendly and it should be easy for your use, because in your early 20s you are usually busy either studying or working and usually you do not have a lot of income to spend on lavish products. So what are all the products that you can use in your early 20s? The first one that is most important is the sunscreen. So whenever you are looking for a sunscreen in your early 20s, look for any mild sunscreen, either gel based or water based. If your skin is oily, go for a gel based sunscreen. If your skin is dry, go for a water based sunscreen. These days sunscreen sticks are also available, which also can be used because it's very easy and user friendly. You can use it any time of the day. These sunscreens can be either matte finish or they can be in the form of lotion. So whatever your preference is, you can use the sunscreen. Sunscreen application is very important for at least 2 times per day, once in the morning or once in the afternoon. Because once you apply a sunscreen, its efficacy lasts for only 3 to 4 hours. So after 4 hours, it's necessary that you reapply your sunscreen. And what is the amount that you should use? It's usually 2 fingertips. So this and this. So the amount you can just pump your sunscreen on these 2 fingers and this amount should suffice your face and the neck. So this amount should be applied 2 times daily. How sunscreen helps is basically sunscreen will protect your skin from any kind of harmful UV rays, which are usually considered the cause for causing your fine lines and pigmentation and aging. So sunscreen application on a regular basis is very important, and many people say I don't go out so I will not apply sunscreen. It's not like that. If you are at home or if you are going outside or whatever you are doing, you have to apply sunscreen regularly. Okay. Second most important thing that you have to use in your early 20s is a moisturizer. So looking for a moisturizer, if you have an oily skin, you can go for a hyaluronic acid based moisturizer. If you have dry skin, you can go for paraffin based moisturizer or ceramide based moisturizer. Some examples can be like Parasoft or CeraVe moisturizer and many other moisturizers. But make sure they are budget friendly because moisturizers have to be applied on a regular basis. So whatever makeup or any products that you are using, first thing that you have to apply is the moisturizer so that your skin is hydrated. And this moisturizer also helps in retaining the water in your skin and makes your skin plump. Okay, so any kind of makeup will also stay better when you apply a moisturizer. Third most common product that you can use is a face wash. So what kind of face wash you can use? For any normal skin, you can use some skin whitening agent containing face wash like kojic acid face wash. And if you have an oily skin, you can use some salicylic acid face wash. And if you want a glow, you can use a glycolic acid based face wash. And there are certain foaming cleansers, non-foaming cleansers, gentle cleansers. If your skin is very sensitive, go for gentle cleansers so that they are not very harsh on your skin. The fourth most important product that you have to use is some active ingredients. So active ingredients I mean to say is either vitamin C, niacinamide serum or azelaic acid serum. So these three serums are very important and they are very safe in your early 20s. Please do not start using retinol serums in your early 20s. If at all you want to use, just use it only once per week. And no excessive scrubbing as well. Scrubbing is allowed only for once per week or maximum once every 2 weeks. Okay. Don't over scrub your face because that can be harsh on your gentle skin. So the next thing that is important is your hair care. So what can we do for your hair care? So for hair care, it's very important to know about oiling. Okay, so many people oil your hairs like overnight. They keep it overnight, massage it, and then they sleep. So this habit is not right because it can lead to excess of seborrhea, that is dandruff. So if you want to oil your hair, oil it only half an hour, 1 hour or maximum 2 hours before you take a head bath. Not more than that. Once a week oiling is more than sufficient because excess oiling can lead to excess dandruff. And if you are prone for developing a dandruff on your scalp, start using an anti-dandruff shampoo. It can be used like once per week. How we use that? Just wet your hairs, apply the anti-dandruff shampoo on the roots, keep it for 5 minutes and then wash it off. The rest of the length of your hair you can wash with a normal regular shampoo. You don't have to use the anti-dandruff shampoo on the length because otherwise your hairs will become dry and frizzy. And for the shampoo, you can use any regular shampoo. If you have straightened your hair, colored your hair, then use your shampoos accordingly, which are recommended by your beauticians or the parlor guys. And the next common product. Alright, so these are the basic things that you have to use in your early 20s. Don't go for too many products. Just stick to minimum basics and don't invest a lot on your skincare products. If you have any doubts, please write to us in the comment section, and if you have not followed us, please start following for more hair care and skincare videos. Thank you.